As we, the moderns, pause in our fast-paced lives and enter into moments of stillness, we often find ourselves confronted with the glimmering essence of our deepest nature. And it is in these moments that the mysteries of the land are revealed to us in all their splendor. Enter the majestic Cantinas Ranch on the shores of Lake Nacimiento, a property unlike any other, boasting an unparalleled combination of size, recreation, wildlife, and proximity to both Paso, Robles, and San Luis Obispo. Sprawled across 587 acres of Bradley, California, this exquisite estate is a mere 3 hours away from the Bay Area and just 2.5 hours from Santa Barbara, making it easily accessible from both Northern and Southern California. Nestled in a strikingly private setting, the Cantinas Ranch is home to some of the most remarkable views in the region. The undulating topography of the land grants it an expansive character, offering a rare combination of privacy and ease of access. With its prime location on the lakefront, vast meadows and rolling hills adorned with mature oaks, this unique property showcases the natural beauty of California in all its glory. This secluded sanctuary is teeming with an abundance of wildlife, including wild pigs, deer, quail, and wild turkeys, who have all made this land their home, thanks to its year-round water supply. With over 587 acres at your disposal, the property is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, with biking, fishing, and off-roading among the many recreational activities on offer. Kayaking to the center of the lake and casting a line, or taking a refreshing dip in the cool waters, is an option for those seeking a refreshing escape. Embark on a hike or horseback ride, and set up camp on one of the designated camp spots on the lake shoreline, to make memories with those closest to you. Without question, the Cantinas Ranch is one of the most diverse ranches in the San Luis area, making it a coveted property in the real estate market. The property's access to the lake, lush meadows, and diverse topography all contribute to its unique and exceptional character. For those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and immerse themselves in the tranquility of nature, the Cantinas Ranch is the perfect retreat.